Amotech Africa is a test and measurement company dealing with premium test and measurement equipment. We have our blueprint in Kenya as the main office, Uganda, Tanzania, Ethiopia, Rwanda, and the DRC. Today's event is focusing on connected reliability, making sure that we optimize the equipment that is already at site, making sure that the equipment is reliable and is available. With us, we have invited guests from various utilities, engineers specifically, and the end users. At the end of the day, what we want to give to the end users and the engineers is the word that Amotech Africa is there to give the premium test and measurement equipment to be able to monitor the equipment at site in terms of vibration, in terms of alignment, and at the end of it all, they're able to have an efficient, reliable system.
We're here to talk about connected reliability. Essentially what that means is we are taking the data that we are receiving from equipment in the field. We are able to analyze it and interpret it and import it into a CMMS system, which is a computerized maintenance management system. So what I'm hoping that we will get out of this seminar is that there's a better awareness of what connected reliability is and how Fluke Reliability can support the journey from the equipment side as well as from the software side, just helping our clients manage their reliability programs better. It's an awesome venue. There's a good crowd, some really good questions coming up. We've got a very diverse group of people. Power generation, cement, food and beverage manufacturing. So it's a good interaction with the crowd.
The main idea of having this kind of seminar is to share knowledge with our clients, just to make sure that they have knowledge of what we offer. Thank you to the Amotech team. It hasn't been easy. I also want to say thank you to the attendees. Thank you to our partner, Fluke Reliability, and Umar the trainer.